Above-ground pools in 2026 are not what they used to be. We're not talking about those flimsy blue blobs your neighbor had in 1997 that collapsed after 2 summers. Some of these pools now, they rival in-ground builds. Seriously, you can bury them. Add decks, windows, the whole thing. But there's a catch. Most above-ground pools are still garbage. I've seen the data. Cheap Amazon pools have failure rates pushing 40% in the first season. Rust is the #1 killer. Liners fail. Walls split. One guy on a pool forum said his pool burst at the seam and 10,000 gallons flooded his yard like a tsunami. His grandson was in the pool when it happened. Nobody got hurt, but man, that could have been bad. So today I'm giving you the only 4 above-ground pools actually worth your money in 2026. Whether you've got $500 or $50,000, I've got you covered. Secure links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 4. Intex Ultra XTR, the starter. If you're trying to spend under $1,000 and you just want something that works for a few summers, not forever, just a few summers, the Intex Ultra XTR is what you want. This is a frame pool, not a permanent installation. You set it up in spring, take it down in fall if you want, store it in the garage. The Ultra XTR specifically uses galvanized steel frames with powder coating inside and out for rust resistance. The liner is 3-ply PVC with a polyester mesh core. Intex calls it 50% tougher than their standard liners, and honestly, that tracks with what I've seen. You can get the 18-foot round or the 24-foot rectangular. Both come with sand filter pumps, ladders, ground cloths, covers. Everything you need, basically. Now look, this is not a permanent pool. It's not going to last 20 years. But if you maintain it properly, and that means covering it, balancing your chemicals, not letting the liner sit in direct sun when it's empty, you can realistically get 5 to 7 seasons out of it. Maybe more. I've talked to people who have had theirs for a decade with one liner replacement. The setup is genuinely easy too. Intex has this easy lock system where the frame pieces just snap together. No tools, no pins. 2 people can have it ready for water in a few hours. Filling takes longer, honestly, like 12 to 24 hours depending on your hose pressure. One tip: ground prep matters. A lot. If your ground isn't level, you're going to have problems. The pool can actually collapse if one side is significantly higher than the other because the water pressure distributes unevenly. So take the time. Level it out. Use sand if you need to. Number 3. Bestway Hydrium 18x52, the step up. Okay, so let's say you want something more substantial. Not just a frame pool, an actual steel wall pool. Something that feels like a real pool. The Bestway Hydrium 18x52. This is a completely different construction than the Intex frame pools. Instead of a vinyl liner stretched over a metal frame, the Hydrium has actual galvanized steel walls. The walls, top ledge, and frame are all 100% steel, coated in zinc to prevent rust and weather damage. It's the kind of construction you'd see at a traditional pool store, not a big box retailer. You're looking at around $1,200 to $1,600. It comes with a 1600 GPH sand filter pump, surface skimmer, ChemConnect chemical dispenser, ladder, ground cloth, and cover. Pretty complete package. What makes this different from frame pools? It's designed to stay up year-round. Bestway calls it semi-permanent. The Polar Shield technology on the liner is engineered to handle cold temperatures, so you don't have to take it down every winter. You can actually build a deck around it, landscape around it, treat it like a permanent fixture in your backyard. The steel wall provides way more structural support than frame pools. It's a heavier, more substantial pool. You can feel the difference when you're in it. The walls don't flex like a frame pool liner does. At 18 feet round and 52 inches deep, it holds over 7,000 gallons. That's enough for a family to actually swim in, not just splash around. Installation takes longer than frame pools. You need 3 tools: screwdriver, wrench, knife, but it's still DIY-able. Budget a full weekend minimum. Ground prep matters even more here because this thing is heavy and you really don't want to move it once it's up. The liner uses what they call prismatic stone. It's UV resistant so it won't crack or discolor in the sun. Has a nice wood grain exterior too. Looks way better than the standard blue frame pool aesthetic. Expected lifespan on these is 10 to 15 years with proper maintenance. That's significantly better than frame pools, which usually tap out around 5 to 7 years. Number 2. Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe, the big round. Alright, now we're stepping up in size. If you want a genuinely large pool, not just big for an above ground, but actually big, the Intex Ultra XTR 24-foot round is where things get serious. This is the same Ultra XTR construction as the 18-footer but scaled way up. 24 feet in diameter, 52 inches deep, over 12,000 gallons of water. That's a lot of pool. You're looking at around $1,500 to $2,000 depending on the bundle. The standard package comes with a 2800 GPH sand filter pump. That's a significant upgrade from the smaller models. At 12,000 gallons, you'll need that kind of filtration to keep the water clean. At this size, the pool stops being just a place to cool off. You can actually do things in it. Play games, float around without bumping into each other, have a dozen people in there at once without it feeling crowded. The round shape is actually an advantage here. Round pools are structurally more stable than rectangular ones. The water pressure distributes evenly in all directions. Better circulation too, which means fewer algae dead spots. And honestly, a 24-foot round holds more water than most rectangular pools in this price range. Same easy lock assembly system as the smaller models. Same galvanized steel frame with powder coating. Same 3-ply puncture-resistant liner. But everything is just bigger and beefier at this size. The frame pieces are heavier. The pump is more powerful. It feels like a more substantial product. Setup takes longer, obviously. Budget a full day minimum with 2 helpers. Ground prep is even more critical at this size. We're talking about 50,000 plus pounds of water pressure when full. If your ground isn't level, you're going to have problems. 2-year warranty on the liner, frame, and pump. Expected lifespan is 7 to 10 years with proper maintenance. This is Intex's flagship round pool, and the reviews reflect that. It consistently gets 4+ stars across thousands of reviews. Number 1. Intex Ultra XTR 32-foot with saltwater system, the flagship giant. Last one, and this is for people who want the biggest, most impressive above-ground pool you can get without going to a specialty dealer. The Intex Ultra XTR 32x16. This thing is massive. 32 feet long, 16 feet wide, 52 inches deep, over 14,000 gallons of water. It's basically a small in-ground pool that happens to sit above ground. At this size, you can actually swim laps, not like 2 strokes and turn around, real laps. You can have 8 to 10 people in this pool comfortably. It's big enough for pool volleyball, floating loungers, the whole resort experience. The construction is the same Ultra XTR system as the smaller models. Galvanized steel frame with powder coating inside and out, 3-ply super tough liner, easy lock assembly. But the engineering at this size is impressive. They've got T-joint connectors and beam designs that distribute the load evenly across over 50,000 pounds of water weight. The frame is rated to handle wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour without wobbling. Fair warning, setup is not a weekend project at this size. Budget 2 full days minimum with at least 2 helpers. The box weighs over 400 pounds. Some people get freight delivery and need a tractor to move it from the driveway. Ground prep is critical. You need the site laser level because at this size, even small unevenness creates huge stress on the liner. The 2800 GPH sand pump is a workhorse. It can cycle the entire pool volume multiple times per day. Sand lasts 3 to 5 seasons with regular backwashing, which is way better than cartridge filters that need monthly replacement. This pool includes a 2-year warranty on the liner, frame, and pump. Expected lifespan with proper care is 7 to 10 years. For the size and price, that's honestly really good value. One more thing. At 32 by 16 feet plus clearance around the edges, you need a lot of yard. Measure twice. Account for pump placement, ladder access, deck space if you want it. This pool becomes the centerpiece of your backyard. Make sure it actually fits. Quick buyer's guide. Let me break this down real quick depending on your situation. Got under $1,000 and just want something for a few summers? Intex Ultra XTR in the 18-foot size. Set it up, enjoy it, replace it when it dies. No shame in that. Got $1,500 and want something bigger for the family? Bestway Power Steel 22x12. Rectangular shape, big enough to actually swim in. Want a large round pool with serious filtration? Intex Ultra XTR 24-foot round. Over 12,000 gallons, 2,800 GPH sand pump, room for a dozen people. Want the biggest above-ground pool money can buy on Amazon? Intex Ultra XTR 32x16. Over 14,000 gallons. Real lap swimming. Resort-level entertaining space. Wrap up. That's the list. 4 pools, 4 different sizes. Clear price progression from $800 to $3,500. The biggest mistake I see people make is buying cheap pools expecting them to last forever. They won't. Rust kills above-ground pools. Every time. The Intex Ultra XTR line has better rust protection than most. Powder coating inside and out, UV-resistant T-joints, but you're still looking at 5 to 10 years max with proper maintenance. That's the reality of frame pools. Whatever you choose, do your ground prep right. Level ground matters more than anything else for pool safety and longevity. And check your local permit requirements before you buy. I cannot stress that enough. Links to everything in the description below. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit subscribe. We do buyer's guides like this every week. Secure links are in the description. See you in the next one.